All right, here we go. Week 3 puppy videos. They are super active. Growling, playing, chewing on themselves. Oh, goodness. They're so much fun right now. They sure do make a lot of noise, though. All right, let's start with our females. Who are we gonna start with? Purple female. She is quite the gal, little Miss Purple. Here she is. She is a little crybaby. There's her face. She's been the most vocal so far. She's a silly goose. So, really dark in color. She gets darker every day. Got the half white on her face. But she's a pretty little gal, but she is funny. She loves to make noise and bark at the other puppies. Silly little goose. All right, there's Purple. That's Orange making all the noise there. And we need our little pink female. A little girl. A little tiny girl. She's still the smallest of the crew. Somebody just went to the bathroom in there. Oh, little turkeys. Just barely changed out the pad. So here's Pinky. Hi, Pink. Hi, Pink. You're so cute. Yes, you are. He's all white. Doesn't have any big brown markings on the rest of her body. And like I say, she's still the smallest. She's a sweet little gal. All right. Who made the mess? Well, that's Pink. Let's go yellow female. And she's another feisty one, our little yellow. She's the one that has the bum markings. One on her side here. A beautiful little face. Huh. Got that white stripe that goes all the way up the back of her head. She's a cutie. She's a cutie. Her and Purple like to bark at each other. And then the last female is light blue. Light blue is the biggest female of the crew. Where are you? Green. There you are. All right. She stayed, of all the puppies, she stayed the most white. Which leads me to believe that she's going to have the longest hair of them all. And look at this face. Oh, she's so sweet. She is a sweet little gal. She loves to be snuggled. Oh, trying to get an escapee here. He wants in the shot. Hi. Hi. She's a beaut. So again, this is our light blue gal. Light blue. All right. Now we're going to do the boys. Red. Where's my red buddy? Oh, there you are, Red. There you are, Red. He's gotten really dark, too. He's got the one spot on his side, one on his tail. And boy, they're noisy. Try sleeping through that at night. He's got the white on his nose and up his face. Look at that face. Mr. Red. Hi, Mr. Red. So that's our red boy. Now we got our green boy, who is busy at the moment, taking care of business. So we'll come back to green. I'm gonna go to gray. Gray is no longer the biggest male, but he did outgrow his puppy collar, so we had to get him another one. I had to get him another one. He just was growing so fast. Look at that face. He's got the white on both ears. It's crazy. But he's a lover too. He's big, but he's a lot of fun, this guy. Huh? Come on, Gray. Alright, there's Gray. Now we'll grab Green. He is now the biggest puppy of the crew. I don't know if because he eats so much, but he is outgrown light gray, or gray. He's got the brown face. He's got the little spot right there on his nose. He's got the markings on his side, over his shoulder. But he loves to adventure right now. Okay. All right, who's next? Green and gray. We got orange and black. Where are you, orange? Here's orange. Here's orange. He's the one. He's got all the brown markings. Oh. Yeah, all brown face. That's a sweetie. So that's orange. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Here we go. Boy, they're getting around. Then we got our black. Our black male. Where are you, Black? You see Black, Lexi? Here he is, coming back here to hide. Coming back here to hide from the camera. He's not shy. Him and Purple are always going at it. So this is our black male. He's really dark too. Oh, just a little bit of white going up his nose and forehead. Oh goodness. So that's all our puppies this week. What, Orange? What, Orange? What, buddy? What? There they are. Making messes and being noisy. Aren't you? All right, there we are. Week 3. Next week, I expect them to be into everything.